今天是我30岁生日。来到完全没有人的地方，看看Sami要带我们去哪里。From the peak?
Porcupine.
Eh?
Do you know
Porcupine.
porcupine?
Like the big, what? Hedgehog.
Yes.
Big hedgehog.
Yes.
The only pet I had was hedgehog.
Okay, so you
The small one.
recognize.
Yeah.
It's normally harder, but because of the rain, it's good.
有羊哎，
喜欢羊肉吗？
喜欢，
羊肉。
喜欢。We have like 羊肉炉。羊肉火锅呀，羊肉炉。哇。完全隐藏的地方，一般人看不到这里。哇！从这里上来，在悬崖边的 moniishere。
Ready? One. Make a wish. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Thank you. 从山上来到了海边，现在Sami要带我们去出海了。This move a lot。前几天下很多雨，下到昨天晚上，结果水位很高。刚踏在这个上面，我还不知道，差一点就摔下去。你看，还好，不是太重，平衡了一下。一下。Sami要去捕鱼了，我在这边等他。Mask， 一小。gloves。抓到了耶！狮子鱼。
You give me the big bottle.
Big bottle?
White big bottle.
This one?
Throw it in the sea.
一下。哇！
I will catch you more and we go, okay?
Yeah, no problem, no problem. 一个人在小船上等晚餐。决定下水，太晕了啊！我会 会抓着船下去。